Hi guys, Jonathan Graham here. Today I'll be showing you this new model I designed about a week or two ago. This is my ISO area. It's a cube, but this is actually opens up and it's a box. You can put something inside and simply interlock the two sides back together. Here's one from Kami with white on one side, and here's one with patterned on one side. This model is called the ISO area cube box. So we're going to use 2 sheets of paper for this. I'm going to be using 2 different colors of 6-inch squares. This is a size from a 6-inch square, by the way. And for simplicity, however, I do recommend if you make 2 the same color with the different color in the reverse, it gives a nicer effect. But for the tutorial, I'm going to use 2 different shades of purple, in this case just for simplicity. So this uses ISO area folding, which means you're folding on the same way on both sides. So we're going to start with the dark purple one, and we're going to fold in half diagonally, white side up. And then unfold. And remember, we're doing ISO area, so we're going to flip this over to the purple side or the colored side and fold the way in half again. And unfold. Now at this point it doesn't really matter what we're going to start with. We'll just go here. We're going to divide this into thirds by just folding this over. I'm going to try to show here. And you want to do this as accurately as you can. So I'm going to divide this into thirds and pinch. And now we're going to, we'll start with the white side up for this one, and fold the third over, fold it really sharply, and unfold. And now, if you haven't guessed already, it's ISO area, so we're going to flip it over, and now fold it in thirds the other way, and you're just going to line up the edge of the third crease just to the diagonal here, on both sides there, and that's your third, and fold this over. Now we're going to unfold, and now we're going to flip back to the white side. Now there's 2 different units. They're actually mirrored. We're going to start with what I call the right-hand unit. So you're going to make your creases like this. You're going to find the diagonal crease right here, and we're going to make a crease right here, a valley fold for the mountain, and the mountain is. Okay. So we're going to fold this up like this and crease. Actually, for the diagonals, I recommend folding them both ways because it actually doesn't matter which way these go. So we're going to make the first one. We're going to start with the mountain fold here on when you're holding it like this on the right side. We're going to make a crease, a valley fold there, and now we're going to rotate this 180 degrees. So we have the mountain on the right side and make a crease here. This is important the way we fold this. Now we're going to flip this over left to right, and we're going to turn it so it's like this. Now we see the mountain fold here, the mountain third. We're going to make a valley fold on this side on the left and turn it 180 degrees, and we're going to make another valley fold there. We're going to bring this corner to this point here and crease. Now we're going to turn it to the white side just so it's easier to see. The creasing itself is sort of tricky. What I recommend doing is you can see where there's a mountain fold, and then we're going to make this a valley fold. Here's a mountain. We're going to make this corner a valley, and then these are going to make these corners mountains. And you're just going to sort of push together and twist like this, and you can see how it collapses down. And in this case, we'll call this the left-hand unit because you can see how the star is going counterclockwise if you look at it with the white side facing to the top. Now we're going to actually make the other one now to be the other way. So I'm just going to get the next piece here, start any side up, in this case colored, and go diagonal. And I actually reverse that crease, so this is like a genderless fold. It can go either way. White side up, diagonal both ways, flip over, reverse the crease, and now thirds, divide it into thirds, line up the crease as well, pinch, starting with the white side up, we're going to fold it thirds all the way through. Crease it sharply. Unfold. Remember, this is ISO area, so we're going to flip it over, and we're going to fold to this. You can see where the third intersects the diagonal. We're going to bring the edge to that. And then the other one. And now we're going to turn back to the white side. It's important whatever side you had up when you started your pre-creasing for the first unit, you have the same on this side. So now we're going to position it. Last time we had it positioned with the mountain fold facing the right. We're going to turn it now so the mountain fold here faces the left. And we're going to do our first crease here, our first valley fold here. So we're going to fold this up here and crease just that square. Turn with the white side up again, turn 180 degrees. Again, this mountain fold is facing our left. We're going to make a crease right here. Just bring this corner to that corner, and it should give you, and crease sharply. Now we're going to flip this over, and we are going to turn this again like this. And you can see the mountain fold. Now we're going to put a valley fold here. Turn this 180 degrees, make another valley fold here in this diagonal fold. Now we're going to turn it back to the white side, and now this is reversed. So we see we have a mountain crease. We're going to reinforce this as a valley. Mountain reinforces a valley. Valley fold reinforces a mountain. This is a valley, so this corner is a mountain. And again, you're going to just gently pinch these sides and just gently collapse together. Push together. It's going to go like that. And this is our right-hand unit, because if you look here, we can see with the white side up again, this star, they're going clockwise around, the points, the ninja star, if you will. This ninja star here is a mirrored. So you can see this one is going clockwise, that, I guess. And this one is going counterclockwise, this way. If you know what I mean. Now with the white side up on both of our ninja stars, if you will, we're going to take the colored point and fold it over and tuck underneath into the white slit here. And now we're going to take the other colored point, or whatever your color is that you have opposite to the side you have facing up, and we're going to tuck it into this slit here. And now comes a fun step. We're going to turn this over, and we're going to lift up here and make like a square shape here, and make a square shape there. And this is one half of our box. Now we're going to take our other ninja star, the one that we made that's the mirrored one. This is our, I guess this will be our right hand unit. And we're going to take the same, we're going to fold this with the whites on the top, fold this over, and you're going to tuck it into this slit again. And I'm just going to turn this. And we're going to take this purple one, and this, mine's purple, yours might be a different color, but I'm using purple for the demonstration, and we're going to tuck it into the flap. So we have that colored pattern here. We're going to flip this over, and again, lifting up here, forming one side of the box. Lift up here, and you have the other side. Now to put it together, it's pretty easy. You can see how these are mirrored. These corners are, this one is going this way, this one's going this way. We're going to take one and put it like this, and the other one like this, so that the white is on the top and bottom. We're going to interlock them so the the corners go underneath the triangles. See that? This one's not going under the triangle. See, there's one side. You see that? I'm just going to show you. It looks like when it's partially together. And then you're going to push it together the rest of the way, and your box is complete. This I use two different colors. It looks okay, but I would recommend using the same color, and it makes it more even all around. But that's how you make the ISO area cube box. It opens up very easily, and just close it up again. Make sure those flaps are underneath the colored triangles. And that is the ISO area cube box. Thanks for watching. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.